friends, welcome to another edition of our continued coverage at MEF 19, and now I am sitting at RAD booth, and I am with Eyal Aloni, and we are going to talk about how RAD is bringing innovation to the market. Eyal, welcome to our video.
Thank you, pleasure to be here.
So tell us something about your key priorities that you have in the market today.
First, I don't know how your audience knows RAD, but RAD is a very well-established company. We are in the market for 38 years. We established in 1981. We are working with mainly with telecom service providers, tier ones around the globe. We deployed more than 16 millions of CPEs devices. We are an access company. We are focusing on the access portion of the network, and we're providing a lot of innovation in that aspect. Starting from carrier Ethernet, and in the mature market of the need and EAD market, we still brings a lot of innovation in this market, starting from providing layer 2 services over broadband, over fibers, over VPNs, and over LTE, and in the near future also over 5G cellular networks. So we are really able to provide layer 2 services over any type of networks, while keeping the SLA towards the networks, whatever the network is going to be, whether it's a layer 2 VPNs, cellular networks, or a broadband networks. We are still keeping the SLAs, and there are multiple use cases for that. The first use case is to allow service provider to deploy layer 2 service with out-of-print coverage when they don't have a coverage and they're still providing a layer 2 service. The second use case is to use the LTE or the broadband as a backup. In that aspect, they actually provide a layer 2 service. When there is a fiber cut or out of service from any reasons, they can still provide a business continuity over the LTE or over the fiber. And this is actually allows the service provider to provide a very guaranteed service, layer 2 service to the market. So that's one aspect of what we are doing in the mature market. In the VCPE market, we are among the top players in this market, and we provide today comprehensive solutions of VCPE, which include UCPE, which runs the value-added services and the compute powers at the customer premises. And we also provide a programmable CPE, which allow to run the value-added services from a data centers, and from the economy point of view, it's provide much more scalable and total cost of ownership solutions, which is much better to the end customer. So these two is combining with a lot of innovations, starting from the service management and service lifecycle point of view, how to manage the service, and from the UCP point of view, and from the programmable CPE point of view, we allow to provide tunneling to the data center, the service provider data centers, and by that to provide an end-to-end SLA to the data centers. From the data center, the service provider can run value-added services to be launched at the customer premises, but the VNFs and the value-added services will be run from the data centers, and that can be used as an on-ramp or a cloud on-ramp service to allow public services with the security aspects of running a variety of public services, and to allow the service provider to resell the public services while assuring an end-to-end SLA towards the public cloud.
So here, as part of your participation at MEF 19, what are some of the innovative solutions or products you are showcasing?
So in the MEF 19, we actually have a demo here that will represent the IoT solutions. On top of the, our layer 2 markets and the UCP, VCP, PCP market, we are also in the edge of the technology in the IoT. We provide an IoT solutions for service providers and utility and companies, where we provide an IoT gateways that allow to connect the variety of sensors and things towards a security gateways. And the uniqueness and the differentiator of this security gateways is the ability to provide edge computing to run mission critical applications that will communicate with the sensors and provide the minimal amount of delay and jitters towards the sensors, while ability to deliver the sensor traffics in a secure tunnel to a central location where we have a security gateways that terminate the tunnels and provide the traffics to an analytic servers that actually analyze the traffics within the data centers. So we have a demo here when we present this type of solutions that allow the connectivity to a GPS with multiple cellular connections to deliver LoRa, low-range traffic towards the security gateways, and from LoRa sensors to deliver the traffic to a central location.
So moving forward, what are some of the innovations that we can expect from RAD?
So in the next, let's say in 2020, we will continue to focus on universal CPEs with a PCP. We will continue to develop our programmable CPEs that allow tunneling to the data centers and to provide economy of scales of VCPE deployments with the security, with all the security aspects. We will continue to develop our security gateways for industrial IoT, and we will continue to lead the market in the EAD and the need market with a lot of innovative stuff to continue to position our leadership in this market.
Anything specifically that RAD is doing on the 5G front that you want to
Yes, definitely. As part of our Ethernet market, we actually positioned the best of breed cell-side gateway for 5G, which allow combining multi-rate technology towards the mobile backhaul, starting from 3G, 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi backhauling, including the ability to deliver different XOL connectivity, or the combinations of fronthaul, midhaul, and backhaul toward a single platform, which is a cell-side gateway, to map CPRI to eCPRI, to deliver 25 gig interfaces along with 10 gig and 100 gig, and all of this within flexible architectures that allow us to adopt also future-based standards and future technology that will be adopted into the 5G technology, the generations and deployments that allow to actually deploy a smoother fronthaul and XOL technology towards the 5G networks.
Great, Eyal, it's a pleasure to interact and spend time with you.
It's a pleasure to
look forward
participate.
to more such interactions in the near future.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.